A widespread jubilation as the Supreme Court on Thursday ruled in favor of the former Senate President David Mark in a legal battle for the control of the African Democratic Congress (ADC). But the decision is not the final one on the matter, as the Supreme Court ordered that the Federal High Court in Abuja, where the suit originated, should see the stop proceedings to the end. Delivering judgment, a 5-member panel of the Supreme Court led by Lawal Garba unanimously upheld Mr. Mark's appeal, setting aside an order of the Court of Appeal which asked all parties to the dispute to maintain the status quo ante bellum. The disputed Court of Appeal judgment had prompted a recent decision of the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) to derecognize the warring national leadership factions of the party. In the lead judgment delivered by Mr. Garba, the Court of Appeal held that the Court of Appeal's directive to parties to maintain the status quo ante bellum was no longer relevant after proceeding before the trial court had been concluded. Mr. Garba said ordering the status quo ante bellum was unnecessary. He held that orders of the status quo was a preservative order aimed at preventing parties from taking steps capable of forcing a fait accompli on the court while proceedings were ongoing. However, he said that such powers must be exercised only in relation to live proceedings. He said once proceedings had fully and faithfully, conclusively and finally concluded, there will be nothing left for that court to preserve. The Supreme Court therefore set aside the order and directed that pending processes before the lower court be determined in accordance with the law.